Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2016 GMC Yukon in a Denali trim and powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and some 4x4ing. It does have running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area, which is also your third row seating area, because you do have seating for 7 people in this vehicle, spaciously and comfortably with their own cup holders and everything back here. And you have power controls for those seats too, and you have a storage bin back here. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. Now looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2 with a nice full leather interior, armrests. You have, let's see here, a 110 or 15 volt power outlet, a 12 volt power outlet, your rear climate controls and heated second row seats, as well as all the hookups for your rear media center here with a remote and everything, so you can control it, and it'll turn on when the vehicle is on. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and I believe also your steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 96,688 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip A and B information, your fuel range, your oil life, tire pressures, and then your best averages. You can also cycle through other information such as audio, phone, and navigation controls, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your heated steering wheel, so you can stay cozy or keep your fingers warm. And behind the steering wheel, you also have your radio controls. Moving on to the left, where you have your traction control shutoff, your lane keeping system, your park assist sensors, your adjustable foot pedals, and then over here you have controls for your HUD, your heads-up display, which would appear in the window, but it's just too faint to show up on the camera currently. Then you have your lighting controls and your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, as well as your trailer brake controller. Moving on from that, you have your center infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, auxiliary, CD, Bluetooth, and I believe also auxiliary. No, I already said auxiliary, but you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your messages screen or your Bluetooth phone control screen, and then for your videos for your rear media center there. But then moving on from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. Do also have heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay cool or cozy. And then you have your 2 USBs and a 12 volt right here, and then your 2 cup holders, which you can have hidden away if you so choose. Then moving on to your center compartment / armrest, where you do have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it will begin to charge. Then in here you have 2 USBs, auxiliary, a slot for your phone maybe, plenty of room in here, and another 12 volt power outlet right there. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.